Hello. Okay, fine. So there is a glitch in my voice. I think it goes to mute. Okay, so uh, let me start from the very beginning. So a very good afternoon to all. My name is Gaurav and welcome to BISP Solution. So for today we will be discussing in ARCS we will be discussing calculated attributes and the variance analysis method. So this method is our third method of the reconciliation compliances, which is the ARCS module. Okay, so this is our last method, so we'll be taking it today. So what is the basic understanding of the variance analysis? So first just go to Excel 5. Look here, this is the basic understanding. Look, I have 3 months over here, which is June, July and August. The difference between of these 2 months is known as the variance. Okay, suppose this. Okay, look here, but this is my variance. Okay, like this. So difference between of the 2 months is my variance. Same goes with the August and July. This is the variance. Okay, so we'll be taking this today, and let me show you my files. I'll be loading for 3 period, which is August, September and October. These are my 3 data files of different month. So let me open and show you. Okay, so the reconciliation account ID will be same for all the 3 months. Then the currency code will be the same, the amount will be different. Okay, so every month we have different amounts. So the month for August we have 5,000 over here, then we have 7,000 for September, and for October I think we have 4,000, I think so. So let me 8,000. Okay, so look here, this is my 3 files. I'll be loading them in my application. So just let me open my instance first, and today we'll be also taking the calculated attributes. So how we'll be creating the attribute? First let's create the attribute. Okay, let me sign in. It automatically goes to log out, so let me sign in again and I will show you. Okay, so I have opened my instance and login as Denise. Okay, Denise is my administrator. So just quickly give the attribute. So for giving the attribute, first we go to the configuration and the second card over here, which is the attribute. From there we'll be creating the attribute. Okay, so today we'll be taking the attribute which is the variance analysis, variance percentage. Okay, so let's clear all the filter first. Let me see if there is already a existing attribute of variance percentage is there. Let me check for it. So it's not here, so just quickly give the variance percentage. Okay, so first thing is the name. Okay, so name here you will be defining the attribute. Okay, so for that you will be giving the name. Okay, so give the name as variance. This is my customizing. Here I will be customizing the attribute. Okay, this here you see few are lock. Okay, these are the predefined ones. Okay, pre-built. Okay, then here which are the unlocked, these are the user created ones. Okay, so just create a attribute and this variance percentage. Okay, like this, and my type will be in number. So as you select the number, there is one more option which is format. Okay, the type you can pick as per your choice. If you want to pick date, date of time, group, integer, list, multi-line text, true, false, user, yes, no, like this you can pick. And the important thing here is this is the calculated attribute. Okay, so I will be selecting the calculation one. And what is the summary? What is the total you want to see? You want to see the sum of the amount, you want to see the minimum, you want to see the maximum, or you want to see the average. Okay, like this you can select. So I'll be selecting the sum one, or I can select the none. Okay, like this. So select the none because we will be creating the percentage one. So just go to your format. Look here, first you have to give the decimal place. Okay, like this. I want 2 decimal place. Okay, so I'll be giving 2, and display as percentage. So this is my variance percentage, so I'll be selecting display as percentage. So when I select this, it will be starting display in the form of percentage. Okay, like this, and all the extra tab over here are disappear. Okay, so when I unselect this, these are the tabs. First you have the thousand separator. If your amount is in thousand, you can use a separator. Then you have the currency column over here. You can select the currency. Negative number, if the number is in negative, which form you want to see. Look here, this here you see a minus and 1 2 3, and if the number is negative, you can give the bracket form. Okay, like this. And the scale, a scale of 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, like this. Okay, so just select this, displays percentage. Then we have the calculation over here. Okay, so in calculation type, first we have the scripted one. Okay, then we have the conditional is be always be doing separated scripted, sorry, or you can assign value to list. Okay, just pick the attribute from here and you can assign the value in the form of list. Then conditional is you can give the condition, if condition and else condition, like this. So today we'll be seeing the scripted. So here you have to give the definition for the calculation. So it is very simple, let me explain you. So first let me open my Excel, and just I have copied the script, so I will just pasting it like this. Just let me open my and Control C, then go to your instance and Control V. Okay, this script says this: the translated source system balance, which is in the form of functional, and our functional is our USD accounting. This accounting is our rate type. Okay, so let me open my Excel and tell you the story behind this. Okay, so as I said, look here, let me just, okay, now pay attention over here. First we have the source system balances, which is functional. We will be deducting it with the variance period. Okay, this is our source system balance and this is our variance period. Okay, we will be deducting it, then we will be dividing it with the same functional with USD accounting. Okay, like this. So what we did here, we deduct July with June, the amount we'll get, this is the variance. Okay, this is the variance, and to calculate your variance percentage, you will be dividing the variance with the base year. Okay, this June amount is my base year. Okay, so just quickly see it. Like this. So first equals to this amount will be divided by this. Okay, look here, 0.33. I haven't multiplied by 100, so just decrease some zeros and just equals to okay, like this. When you divide the variance with the base year and multiplying it by 100, you will be getting the variance percentage, which is 333.3. okay, this is my variance percentage. So this is a simple formula. Same thing I'll be giving in the form of scripted here. So look here, translate the source system balances, which is functional. Then the currency is my USD and accounting rate. Here minus it with the same again the variance period balances, which is functional, and my currency is USD, and rate type is my accounting. After deducting it, the difference will be divided by the translated base year balances. Okay, then multiply with the 100. Okay, this is the simple scripting. You can get this scripting in your ARCS help center also. So we have given everything, just close it. What is the error? Let me see. Okay, so first let's create the profile. Might be the issue because we haven't created the profile. So just go to the profile session first and let's create the profile. So before that, let's see. Okay, somebody has deleted the entire application, so we'll have to again set up the entire application. So for that we have to go to migration and remove, because the attribute is not creating because the entire thing has been deleted in ARCS. So just go to your migration. It will take a little more time, so fine, no problem. We'll be removing the application and we'll be creating a sample application, so it is little time taking process. So fine. Okay, this is the script I have shown you. Then I do not have the screenshots or the PPT for variance analysis either. I will be discussing with you, so just behold, because it will take time. If I had the screenshot, I will directly discuss those with you, so that the time here, the consuming time will be reduced. Fine, no problem, we'll be wait for it. Okay, here I have login as Alex Smith. So he is not an administrator. If he was the administrator, I can show you the format for variance analysis and the profile how to create it. So we have to wait for the removing of the application status. Fine. So just quickly create a sample format. Okay, so we'll be creating a sample application so that we can get some of the things which are there in the application. It's a little time taking process, so you have to wait. It's taking a lot of time. Okay, so meantime, let me discuss the format of variance analysis with you. There are some things in variance analysis format which are not that similar to account analysis and balance comparison. So what you will be finding the difference in the variance analysis format is that the hidden option for the columns are not there in the format, and there is only one source system. Okay, there are the one column of the source system. Okay, there are not two like account analysis and balance comparison, so you will be finding only one. Okay, so when the application gets created, I will be showing you the format and discussing each and everything there which are under the format. Okay, so for variance analysis we'll be taking the revenue, and because it might not be there in the account type, revenue is not there in the account type, we have the balance sheet, so we'll be taking, for this particular time we'll be taking as cash. So suppose this variances are for my revenues. Okay, August, this is the variance for my revenue month of August, then September, and same goes for the October, like this. So as we are not having income statement in the application, so we'll be taking cash right now. It's taking a lot of time, I don't know why. Might be internal error, it might be kind of thing. So just quickly, if it gets created, I will be discussing the format and the profile, and we'll be loading the balances. Okay, okay, fine. So the application has been created. Okay, just go to the configuration, under configuration again. Okay, so our next step is to go to your application, and under application go to the configuration, and as I have discussed the attribute how to create it, you will be see if the attributes has been created, or if it's not created, let's create it. Okay, so look here, the variance percentage is here because I have loaded the sample application and it is same as I shown you. Look here, everything is same. Fine, just cancel it. So I have shown you how to create calculated attribute, and if you want to create just a simple attribute, you can create it with here. Okay, then our next step is to go to the format, and let's see the overview of the variance analysis monthly. This one is my format. Okay, so something will be same and something might be changed here. first we have the variance, the name, which is the variance analysis monthly. Then we have the description, which tells that this variance analysis with monthly frequency, set on monthly frequency. Okay, it's not for quarterly we have down here. Then the method is variance analysis. Concatenated string you already know. Then group reconciliation is not there, so these three things you already know. Then look here, as I said before, there is no option of hiding the columns. Okay, look here, there is no option. Then here you can set the prior balance frequency, which might be monthly or quarterly, or you can leave it blank, your choice. Then we have the variance explanation. This variance explanation will be giving as a preparer. Okay, when we give the source system adjustment explanation like that, same here we will be giving the variance explanation. Then here we have the same thing, which is the transaction detail, action plan, and the rule. These are the same as the account analysis and balance comparison method. Then next we have the instruction. So look here, the instruction is given that provide explanation of changing in activity that resulted in the material changes to financial statement. Explain of the event that can be cause variances, change in the approximation, change in any changes, okay, in that impact your financial statement. He has given here increase in capitalized property, like this. So these are the instructions, which are the basics instruction in the format level. Then we'll be having one attribute over here, so we won't be giving the format because I do not want to change anything in the format. I will be giving the attribute in my profile. Okay, so just close it, go to your profile, and under profile just create one profile for variance analysis. So my profile is form of 000, then what we have 000 semicolon 900, like this. Okay, this is my reconciliation ID. Then we have variance analysis monthly. Process will be balance sheet. Income statement is not there, so we'll be taking balance sheet. Account type will be my cash account. Debit. This you already know all these things. Okay, so we quickly just give all of them. Format is variance analysis monthly. Okay, fine, that's all here. Then go to the instruction part. This instruction has been taken from the format, so fine. Then we have the user, the preparer. So give the preparer. Who is our preparer? Alex Smith. So select him. Frequency will be monthly, then 3 days or might be 4 days as per your choice. And the reviewer will be having is Amy Marlin, so just assign her as a reviewer, and duration is for 2 days. Then currency will be taking rate type as accounting, and my functional USD is my currency. Okay, then the important thing here comes is the attribute. Okay, so just click on the attribute, and the attribute which we have created and the attribute which is there in the sample application will be taking it, and the role who will be working on this attribute, he is a preparer. Okay, fine, like this. Access, why is the access not coming? Okay, fine, click OK. So save and close it. So we have created the profile with one customized attribute. Okay, then first of all just clear the filter and check for the validation. Make sure that our profile is validated. Okay, so it's validated. Then August, September and October, we will be loading our data in the month of August, September and October. Okay, let's go to period, under period select, let me open this status first, August, September and October. Fine. Control set status as open, like this, and just quickly load the balances. First of all, close all the files of my Excel before loading the balances. Okay, fine. So back to the instance, I start loading the files. So August 23rd 2023 will be loading our pre-map data. Just select the file, source system, functional, and import it. Go to your data view and just check for the status. So it is completed. Again go to the import, pre-map import, and from here just change the month first. Okay, next month we have is September, then choose a file for September period, like this, and it's our source system. Currency bucket is my functional. Okay, just close it. If you do not want to change the period directly from here, you can go, so it won't be showing the status here because this is the August period. To check the status we have to go to September. Okay, so first just quickly load for October also, so that we can see if the data has been loaded to our application, like this, functional and import. Okay, so this is one step. If you want to just go here, this is the second step. You can go from here and load the data. So we have already loaded, so it is completed. Look here, then we go for October and see the data file is been loaded to our system or not. Look here, it is there. It's in the complete status. Again go to your profile, and one thing we'll be giving here, which is the column. Suppose let's select the column first. Where is my variance? I won't be here, so just bring and save it. Okay, fine. Just quickly search for the profile, like this, and from there you can give the reconciliation for 3 different periods, which is September, October and not August, September and October, not November. Okay, just create reconciliation 3 period, which is August, close it, September, and the last period is our October. Okay, so we have created the reconciliation. Our next task is to give the explanation for the variance. So for giving the explanation, we have to go to our next window, and from here we'll be logging as Alex Smith, who is a preparer. Let me see if we have given the Alex Smith as a preparer task or not. So just quickly go to access control, then manage application role, and there just click on added manage role. So Alex haven't given the role of preparer, so first quickly assign him the role. Reconciliation preparer, fine, click OK. So let's give Amy Malin as reviewer role, like this, and just quickly log in as Alex. It's taking. Fine. So we won't be able to log in. Just log out from here and quickly just log in as Alex Smith. Sign out. So I have login as Alex Smith, and our first task is to give the explanation for the variance. Suppose go to your work list, under work list select the source type, source here reconciliation, and select the period, which is August, September and October, and bring May 23 here, like this. So these are the three reconciliation which we will be working. So just quickly submit them, give the explanation and submit them. Look here, August the amount is different, September the amount is different. When we look here, when we keep our arrow here, for just we hold for 1 or 2 seconds, it shows the information. First we have the series, which is functional USD, then we have the group, which is September 23. Okay, then we have the value, like this, and same goes here, and the same thing goes here, like this. Okay, so let's start giving the explanation. First just pick this one, it is August period. Okay, so go to your variance explanation and just give the explanation. Revenue increase, might be there is an increase or decrease in the revenue. Amount is 5k. Okay, so here you will be finding the different, which is the variance reason code. If you have any code for this variance, you can pick it here or you can leave. Okay, look here, check out the standing deposit, deposit in transit, increase in the capitalized property. We can take any. Okay, like this. Other, we'll be taking other and save it. Okay, like this. And one more thing I will be taking here is to select the column and bring variance percentage over here, reconciliation, variance percentage. Let's bring the column here so that we can see the percentage, 100%. Okay, so just close it and again go for the period, which is for September. okay, like this. Then go for variance explanation, add same revenue, increase, reason will be other, amount is 2k. Let me make sure that the amount is okay, fine. Save this. Look here, the variance has been changed because it is calculated with August period. Okay, the difference between this amount of September and the amount of August, and divided by the base year, and you get the difference, and you get the variance percentage by multiplying it by 100. Okay, like this. So just close it and give the last balance variance explanation. Just edit revenue increase like this, and the amount is which is 1k. Variance reason code is other. This reason code will be given by your client, you won't be giving by yourself. Okay, so the variance over here is 12.50%. okay, so just go to the summary and look here, 3 months. Okay, like this. So this is the calculated attribute, which is the variance over here, and you just submit all of them and close it. Okay, like this. First submit this one by one. And submit the last one, which is the September one. Okay, fine. So we won't be approving it. Just log out and log in as an administrator, and there we'll be seeing the variances. Okay, okay, look here, just log in as a administrator and go to your profile card. Okay, when we go to a profile card and when we select our profile, you will be seeing the variances over there. Search for the profile, which is 000 semicolon 900. Okay, this one. Why the variance is not showing here? Might be shown in the reconciliation. So let's go to the reconciliation. Okay, first select the period, which is August, September and October, and bring June 23 here. Clear all the filter like this, and just add the column action, select the column, and reconciliation variance percentage is my column. Okay, just go to variance percentage over here, click OK. Why it's not coming here? Select column. Okay, it's haven't come here, so just once again select it and bring here like this, and just select OK. Look here, the variance for the period of different months. Suppose this not suppose, this is my period for August month, then we have September, and then we have October. So this is the different variances for different periods. Okay, this is how we'll be doing the calculated attribute. Okay, so that's all for today. So we have done calculated attribute and the variance analysis method. Okay, so let me go to my schedule. If any doubt comes in this session, let me know in the comment section, and I'll be taking that doubt in the upcoming sessions. Okay, so let me open my schedule first and highlighted the topics which we have done today. So we have done with calculated attributes, so highlight it, and same goes with the variance analysis method. What is the today's date? It's September. Fine. So that's all for today. Thank you.